Make these quick, no-brine pickled cucumbers. Perfectly crunchy and ready in just 5 hours. Wash the cucumbers thoroughly, removing all dirt and residue. Cut off both ends so they absorb the seasoning better. Slice the horseradish root into smaller pieces to release more aroma and flavor. Crush the garlic to bring out its full aroma, then peel it. Chop the dill into smaller pieces so it blends better with the cucumbers and gives them a rich fragrance. Place the cucumbers, horseradish, garlic, and dill into a container or jar. Sprinkle generously with salt so the cucumbers develop their full flavor. Close the container or jar and place it in the fridge. Shake it from time to time so the seasoning spreads evenly and the flavor becomes more intense. Leave the cucumbers in a cool place for a few hours. The longer they rest, the richer the flavor becomes. After a few hours, they are ready to enjoy. They taste best while still slightly crunchy. Perfect with sandwiches, salads, or as a side for dinner. This simple method always turns out delicious. Do this once, and everyone will be asking for the recipe. This method is the hidden hit of the season. Start by cutting the cucumbers in half lengthwise. You'll need about 8 small cucumbers. Lightly salt them and place them on a preheated grill or sandwich press. Grill until they are lightly charred and tender. Carefully remove them from the grill. Once they've cooled slightly, cut them into smaller pieces. Squeeze 1 clove of garlic into a small bowl to add a bit of sharpness. Add chopped chili pepper for extra kick. Also add chopped fresh dill, which really brings the flavors together. Season everything with salt and pepper to taste. Squeeze in lime juice for a lightly sour, refreshing note. Drizzle in some olive oil for a silky texture. Mix well. In a large bowl, add the chopped grilled cucumbers. Add diced Greek-style cheese with its salty, creamy flavor that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Pour in the prepared dressing. Also add pomegranate seeds for color and a fruity twist. Mix everything with a spoon. Done. A light, aromatic, and fresh salad. Perfect for summer get-togethers with friends. Surprising in both flavor and simplicity. Make them once and all your friends will ask for the recipe. Place the cucumber between 2 chopsticks. Slice it at a 45-degree angle, making sure not to cut all the way through. Turn the cucumber over and slice straight across. Add garlic cloves, chili flakes, and white sesame seeds. Pour in soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and brown sugar. Try these twisted cucumbers once, and you'll never make them any other way. This colorful summer jar salad is everything you need to feel both full and light at the same time. It's crunchy, flavorful, and incredibly fresh. Start by chopping a few cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. No need to be too precise. Then grab a kitchen mallet and smash them well until they release their juices and soften. Next, prepare some fresh radishes. Clean them thoroughly and smash them just like the cucumbers. Transfer everything into a large jar, add a generous pinch of salt, and mix everything thoroughly. Using your hands works best to bring all the flavors together. Now it's time for the dressing. In a small saucepan or skillet, gently heat some vegetable oil over low heat. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a few drops of sesame oil. Season with another pinch of salt, and finally, grate in a clove of fresh garlic. Let it heat for about 2 minutes, then remove from the heat. Chop some fresh dill and stir it into the slightly cooled dressing. Pour the dressing into the jar with the veggies, seal the jar, and give it a good shake to combine everything. A crisp, aromatic salad that's perfect for hot days. Thanks to its bold flavor and fresh herbs, it's not just a side dish, it's a true summer hit. If you like simple recipes that always turn out well, this one will be a perfect choice. It's a quick side salad for dinner that goes with many dishes and always works. Finely shred Napa cabbage so it has a more delicate texture. Slice 2 pickles and 1 large fresh cucumber into thin slices so they blend better with the other ingredients. Cut the leek into thin rings. Finely chop the chives so they distribute evenly throughout the salad. Transfer everything to a large bowl and mix well but gently. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and season with salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. Mix thoroughly but gently so everything is evenly coated without releasing too much moisture. This Napa cabbage salad is light yet filling. Napa cabbage provides vitamin C and supports immunity, pickles benefit gut bacteria, and leek and chives aid digestion. It's not only tasty, but also a healthy addition to your meal. It pairs perfectly with meat, fish, and grilled dishes, and disappears from the plate in no time. This is the recipe for the best herring you'll eat tomorrow. I guarantee you've never had better. Start by cutting pickles into strips or cubes. Choose ones that are well fermented, crunchy, and full of flavor. They'll give the whole dish its special taste. Transfer the chopped pickles to a bowl. Peel the onion and slice it into thin strips. The onion adds a gentle sharpness that balances the flavor of the pickles and herring. Add the onion to the bowl with the pickles. Now it's time for the herring. Cut it into even strips. The fillet should be high quality, meaty, and preferably soaked beforehand. Add the sliced herring to the other ingredients. Then add spicy ketchup and mustard. This combo gives the salad a slightly sweet and tangy flavor. Season with your favorite spices. Mix everything thoroughly so the sauce coats every piece of herring. Transfer the finished herring to a jar with a lid and let it rest in the fridge. It's a simple yet wonderfully aromatic recipe, full of depth and flavor. Whenever it appears on the Christmas table, everyone asks for the recipe. Create a salad that no holiday or New Year's Eve celebration can be without. Cook 10 ounces of tortellini in salted water according to the package instructions. Dice 10 ounces of ham and transfer it to a large bowl. Add 1 cup of corn. Dice 6 pickles and 1 peeled cucumber, then add them to the bowl. Take 1 red bell pepper, remove the seeds, chop it into small pieces, and add it along with some chopped chives. Once the tortellini is cooked, drain and let it cool before adding it to the salad. Now, prepare the dressing. In a smaller bowl, mix 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of honey mustard, and 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard. Grate in 1 clove of garlic and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir everything well, then pour the dressing over the salad and mix thoroughly. Finally, add 5 ounces of diced cheddar or another yellow cheese. Store the salad in jars for easy storage. This flavorful dish will be a hit at any holiday or New Year's Eve table. Pour hot water over the instant noodle bricks. In this recipe, you'll use them in a completely different way. Start by placing 4 instant noodle bricks into a bowl. Cover them with boiling water and let them soak under a lid until they soften. Meanwhile, take 1 chicken breast and cut it into smaller pieces, preferably cubes. Place the chicken in a glass bowl and season it with spices of your choice. Mix everything thoroughly. Heat some clarified butter in a pan, add the diced chicken, and cook until done. In a separate bowl, prepare the sauce. Mix equal parts of plain yogurt and mayonnaise. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of mustard to the sauce and stir well. Once the noodles are ready, transfer them to a large mixing bowl. You can crumble or cut them into smaller pieces to make them easier to eat. Add the cooked chicken, canned corn, diced red bell pepper, pickled cucumbers, and a bit of chopped red onion. Pour the sauce over everything and mix thoroughly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Your instant noodle salad is ready. It's the perfect dish for a party, but also great for any occasion. Enjoy it with friends.